What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long minute, like 10 videos like long that we done since we done the Elantra video. I'm here with Jerry tonight, and the sun's about to set real quick, but I feel like it's a good opportunity to finally take the Elantra out. It's been like 2 weeks since I drove in the car. Jerry's been driving it every day, but it just hit 4,000 miles, so I feel like it's a good time to give you guys an update on the car with the mods and the reliability of the car, because I feel like a lot of guys don't think this car is reliable, but
it's almost 5,000 miles. 4,600.
Well, 5,000. So we haven't had zero issues. Honestly, zero issues. The car drives good. We tracked it at Bun Willow, beat the crap out of the car. I beat the crap out of the car. Jerry beats it up by the mountains here. You know, I feel like I do a safer job because my car won't fly off the mountains.
Dude, hey, we need to rotate the tire. Look at the tread.
All Jerry. But yeah, we're gonna go over the mods today, and for those that are new to the channel and you're interested in building an Elantra, I think this is a really good insight for you guys. I'm sure there's other people that have way more than 4,000 or 5,000 miles, but I think for us, driving the car in such spirited driving, man, that car sounds, that's a GTI for sure. We're gonna go straight into it. So we have a 22 Elantra, and Jerry, you can start with the front.
So we were going to put on the emblem delete, which we haven't done yet.
We actually have it at the body shop, but they painted the wrong color because we didn't bring the car there to get color match. But that's gonna go on soon, okay? We just been kind of lagging on it. But we have it though. It kind of deletes this emblem, which is pry off, and then you stick it on. That's a cool little mod you can do. They also have like, what is it? This piece, right?
Yeah, it's like
color match, but I feel like because of the black and gray right here, I don't want to color match. I think like more aggressive. But comment below, guys, if we should get it, then we'll just get it.
And then right here we have a N style front lip from AERO.
Yeah, so we designed this front lip. It's pretty good. I think it's the second one or third one. The third one or second one?
Front lip?
Yeah. Jerry broke one on the way to San Diego, and then the second one, he hit something
I forgot about
and it flew off. So this is the third one, okay? But you know, the cool thing about our lip is you can order the sides and, you know, get it replaced. We also changed out the self tappers to bolts now, because, you know, now ain't going nowhere. So it's pretty sturdy.
All right, suspension, we have, what is it? Storm's Korean springs from Korea.
Don't really make springs at the time, so when we googled it, the only place that had it in stock or, you know, available was the Storm spring. Now the drop isn't that crazy compared to our WX or G86, but it works, you know, right? It rides comfortable. You know, after alignment, it pretty much dropped like almost like a finger, like half an inch, like 0.8. Yeah, not huge drop, but we don't rub at all, like no rubbing. We're on Koenig.
In the back.
We do rub in the back?
No, okay, this is when I have 4 people in the car plus a go-kart.
Yeah, if you have a full car.
Full car, you will rub.
I never experienced that. I barely drive this car, but we are on wheels, Koenig.
Hypergram.
Koenig Hypergrams, 18 by 8.5, 35 offset with a 245 40 RT 615s, right? Great tires, track tires, daily tires. I mean, the tread life isn't that great because Jerry almost killed the tires already. But
what, 4,000 miles is gone?
Yeah, 4,000 miles. Spirited driving, guys. So I would say like 6,000 to 8,000 if you daily this.
Yeah.
But it gives a nice sidewall, you know, versus a stretch lug. We also have these aftermarket lug nuts we did. So every time you swap wheels, guys, just like you guys know, if you go aftermarket, you have to have aftermarket lug nuts, okay? So it's good to have lug nuts. We didn't touch the brakes. Stock brakes work excellent.
On this car, we've never changed the side skirt. On this side, we have the V1 side skirt, and then when we go to the other side, we have the V2 side skirt.
And the reason why is because we just got lazy and we want to take photos on both sides and just keep swapping out, so we kind of want to showcase left and right. Yeah. Just to give a little perspective, because some people might like the V2, some people like the V1. The most important part, we deleted the pinstripe. It's kind of funny.
Yeah, the stock.
We deleted it and we added it.
Yeah. So, and then we have another pinstrip here from AFD overlays.
Yeah.
We have a V1 diffuser here with V1 spats. And then for the exhaust, we have a res delete and storm downpipe.
Oh, like Jerry said, we have storm downpipes again, paired it up with, it's catless by the way, so it's straight free flowing. And we have the residue delete and then the stock mufflers. It sounds pretty raspy in my opinion, a little too raspy, but it's really loud and a little bit obnoxious, but it's cool, you know. Especially with the valves. As valves closed right now, so you have an idea. Definitely don't sound good with the valves closed. But Jerry, open it up. Now we're in mode. It is really, really loud. It sounds a lot better with the valves open. But the cool thing with the factory valves is that when you're driving in the city, it's really peaceful. And
in the car.
Outside, it's loud, noticeable.
It's really
noticeable. And then with the valves on, you're just causing chaos around the city, which Jerry can do a flyby. I guess that's pretty much it on the modifications. Our car is pretty much stock. We do have these awesome stock brakes in the back, as you can see, which is pretty unique. Again, a lot of guys been hating on the Hyundai, but dude, to be honest, for this car, you're paying $35,000. It's a really good. It don't sound that great in my opinion. I feel like maybe it's just because we chop everything off, but I think we put a resonant back or get a different like what is it called? Mufflers. It might change the sound. And we also order intake, by the way. We ordered a 6 design. Is this 6?
You're the one that...
I don't even know what brand that was. I just googled it today and it was like, ooh, in stock. So we just purchased it. So we got an intake coming, and we're also gonna tune the car. Hopefully it's gonna push close to like 350 to the wheel. That's what it says online. Window tint, we have that as well. But like I said, the car is great, honestly. For the bucket seats, it's not that good driving long distance. I think after like an hour and a half,
it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not bad, but it's not great either. But overall, it looks beautiful though. The stitching, the Alcantara. We're also gonna wrap the roof, which we haven't had time yet. But we're gonna spend more time on the car because we have more products coming for the car that we're developing, like the window visors and style side skirts to match the front lip. For those that don't want to run aluminum, you can run the ABS plastic. We have the rear window visor coming. We're gonna make something a little bit different, you know. But there's not much, like I said, you can do to the car because everything is already there. Like as far as interior wise, I don't want to touch anything. I don't want to add steering wheel because I think it's the perfect stock steering wheel. Headlights looks great, you know. Oh, by the way, we totally forgot a mod. Boomba Racing. We have the engine mount, which limited pretty much 99% of the wheel hopping. So that's a really good mod to buy, especially like for a couple $100. You can't go wrong with that. But I think in the future, guys, we're gonna be filming her here too. I think this is a really good spot. I'll go ahead and get you guys some drive-bys to show you the exhaust.
Yo, you were on 3 wheels. This one came off the floor.
The car handle was great, guys. Like,
he almost tipped over.
Nah, I don't think I'll tip over, but it felt really good. We'll actually get some freeway rollers for you guys. Might as well, because you know we're here tonight. And then, but yeah, that's it, guys. There's not much update on this car right now, except for the intake that's coming. What else do you need? You know, like I don't know. I just think it's such a good car that I can't even mod it. Maybe change out some wheels and lower the car more. I mean, like I said, you can't. I see a lot of guys put like fenders on and bag it wide body, but I think it's gonna ruin the car in my opinion. I think the stock body is perfect. Just a little bit aero, you know, hit a little bit aero, a little bit drop would definitely accentuate the car, you know, to another level. But again, you know, the way it is perfect. Maybe like change these yellow bulbs out. It's kind of ugly. But yeah, guys, enjoy the roller coming up. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more Elantra content, comment below.
Comment what we should do, because
actually, Jerry's right. Comment below what should we do next. Like, I mean, like, I don't want to change the steering wheel. I think a lot of guys are gonna recommend it because I've seen an aftermarket steering wheel. It's really thick and like I don't like it. I think this is clean. But exterior wise, or maybe coilovers, we can go coilovers. Maybe lower the car more, Jerry. It'll look pretty nice.
Yeah.
You're gonna break another lip, Jerry. So I wouldn't want that. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a little update on the Elantra. Hopefully next video we can show you guys how to put on the intake. And oh, that's right, we should put on we still have Boombas by that as well.
For this car?
Yeah, that we didn't put on yet. So
oh, okay.
Thanks for reminding me, Jerry. I remember myself. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.